Hello and welcome back to Math Voyage 2024. This is Usha here. This video is a continuation of exploring magic of shapes to create meaningful pictures. Today we are going to do in detail step by step what Jackie the magician had said in the previous video. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Here I am going to show you the enlarged picture of birds, fruits, vegetables, rabbit that came out of magician Bobindo's magic hat. The link of this video is given in the description below. All these are from the Mathematics Workbook, which I am going to show by flipping the pages to get an idea what type of pictures you can create using shapes. For more details, please read the description below. Grade 1 Mathematics Workbook. All the assembled shapes which came out of magician Bobindo's magic hat and which Jackie showed are from this book. All the images created are by assembling basic shapes. So creating more images shown in this book can be a very good vacation activity. I shall quickly flip the pages and show you all the chapters and illustrations. There are 13 chapters and this is chapter 1 and 108 pages. This is chapter 2 shapes. Chapter 3 numbers, single digit numbers. Chapter 4 0 and numbers up to 20. Chapter 5 addition and subtraction of single digit numbers with statement sums. Chapter 6 addition and subtraction again. Chapter 7 measurement. Chapter 8 numbers up to 100. Chapter 9 patterns. Chapter 10 time. Chapter 11 multiplication. Chapter 12 money. And chapter 13 data handling and puzzles. Let us explore some shapes from Microsoft Shapes and how to access them. Click on insert, a window will open like this and you can see shapes. Click on that and here in basic shapes, under basic shapes you can see many familiar shapes which you have already learned. Out of this I am going to select one shape which is written here, there. If you keep the cursor on the top of it, you can see teardrop. I am going to use this teardrop. Now this teardrop, I call it as a magic drop because you can create so many different shapes with the help of this. Here there is a yellow dot, pull it inside or pull it out, you get different shapes. Think about some shape. Suppose if I think I want to make a tomato, I'll pull this yellow a little bit inside like this, little like this, and then turn it like this. Then take shape format, click on shape format, shape fill it with red color, shape outline it with red color. For it to look more natural, you can select some gradient color so it will look more natural, and then you can make a leaf here, small green color over here. Now next useful shape is click on cloud. Here cloud, see this is the cloud. So here this shape is mainly used for clouds and also you can use it for trees. See you can give green color, this green color or this green color, whichever green color you want, and if you want you can make the outline also green and then give a trunk to this so it will become a tree. There are two more tools here. I'll show you the two more tools. Go back to shapes. The tools which I am talking about are here free form. If you want any smooth curve or anything, you can use this free form. If you take free form, you can draw like this whatever you want, and teardrop and shape format. Go to edit shape and edit points. 5 edit points. You can make use of these edit points to pull it in any direction you want. If you pull like this, you can pull like this way, this way. Imagine what you want. This I have made small, and then this one you have to hold on either shift or control, and then click again on shape format and click on group. I'll take already made shapes, ungroup them to show you how you can split it and make it into different pictures. Select a teardrop from the shapes. Now here in this particular flower, take several teardrop shapes and arrange them in a circle with the pointy ends facing inward. I will ungroup it. For that, go to shape format and go to group and then ungroup. After ungrouping, I'll just remove one petal. See, this is how it is. And again, here this is a circle. Now I'll reposition them and group them again. Now this lotus flower, here also these petals are made from teardrop shapes. But in this case, the pointed end is pointing outwards. Now if I ungroup and show you, go to shape format, group, ungroup, and then you'll see each of these is again I'll have to ungroup because it's again I have grouped it, ungroup, and then you can see one by one. These are all teardrops. Now I'll reposition them and group them. For grapes, take several oval shapes and arrange them closely together in a bunch, and this will form a cluster of grapes. Here again, if you want, I'll just ungroup and show you. And then you can remove like this one by one. And this is done using free form. I shall ungroup this and show you. You have rectangle, big rectangle, small rectangle, for big rectangle for the body, then triangle, rectangle, circle for the wheels, and this is a smiley face. And just group them together, and then you get this shape. And for the football, you use pentagon shapes to create the structure of a football. Arrange them closely together to form a spherical design. For tomato, use one teardrop shape, pull it slightly inside, and then add a gradient red to make it pop. Finish it with a leafy part, here leafy part on the top to complete the look. For capsicum, you utilize free form shapes to draw the outline of the capsicum. Add green at the top for the stem to complete the look. Remember that the coloring part is the most important part. Hope you all have liked this video. Dear parents, encourage your kids to explore innovative ideas and nurture their interest in art. While professional images from various websites can be useful, no doubt, there is something truly special about nurturing a child's creativity and watching their unique visions come to life. Inspire them to think outside the box and express themselves through their own artistic creations. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe to my channel. And join again for the next video on 3D shapes as a continuation of this video, and also video on fractions. Goodbye everyone and take care.